Hi everybody, I'm Andrea, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create the quickest and the easiest cat eye look you could possibly be doing. I've switched it up a little bit and I didn't do it with a classic black or brown. I've used a fun color. I think that green is so amazing with brown eyes, hazel eyes, and green eyes too, because it's not, as long as it's not the same green, I think it's beautiful. One of the most requested eye makeup for my clients is the cat eye or the wing liner, because these are the makeup looks that people cannot really achieve themselves. So I want to teach you in this video how simple and how easy it is if you follow my steps. Practice, of course, is the key, but if you follow these very simple steps, I promise you can pull off the cat eye look in no time. Before we get into this video, make sure that you've subscribed to my YouTube channel if you haven't done it already. If you're already subscribed, then thank you so much. Make sure you've also clicked on that ring bell button so you get notified whenever I'm posting new videos. Now, if you'd like to see how to create the quickest and the easiest cat eye look, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, I decided that in this video I'm not going to show you the whole routine, the whole makeup for the skin, because you've seen me doing that in all of my videos. Let me know if shorter videos where I can show you just eyes and lips would work for you, or if you want to see the whole thing. It's the first time I'm trying this. I'd like to change up a little bit. I know my videos are pretty long. Please let me know. I'm also about to film a video about the Dyson wrap, so I want to have my hair still wet. That's why I have my towel. I'm gonna stop talking right now, so please get me closer. The start is going to be this Shiseido Kajal Ink Artist. I'm not sure if I pronounced this right. These come in multiple colors. You've got a pink, you've got a blue, the green that I'm gonna use today, and another blue. It just looks like this. Now let me show you how to achieve that feline look in just a few steps. Because this is a pencil, it's going to be so much easier because it's not so precise. We are usually afraid of very sharp edges, like very sharp eyeliner tools, because, you know, if you make a mistake, your hand is like shaking, you have to clean it up. With this one, it's a little bit more forgiving. So if you're a beginner, or if you want to start to adventure into eyeliner looks, I think this is the best thing for you. I really have nothing on my eyelids, so I'm going to start by applying just translucent powder all over my eyelids. That's going to prevent, in case you've got oily eyelids, that's going to prevent your product from smudging, from, creasing. You have to look straight in the mirror with your eyes relaxed. Never do this, okay, because it's not going to be the right position. Make sure you've got your mirror in front of you. Both of your elbows are resting on a table, on a surface, so that your hand is not shaky. Here we go. Now I apply the product all along the lashes. If I feel like I'm going to blink, I stop, because that's the problem. We blink and then the pencil goes like in bad places. I go towards the inner corner. Make sure you have Q-tips next to you. Where am I? So I've got some Q-tips in case, I make a mistake. I just do this. It's makeup, okay? Let's just relax. Should be fun. You see where my iris is? When I look straight into the mirror, starting from the iris, that's where I am going to start to make the line a little bit thicker. So from here, when you look straight into the mirror, even if let's just say your eyelid is like this, okay? You could pass by that fold and imagine that there's a flat image. Basically, what I'm trying to do is continue. You see this waterline? It's like I'm continuing my waterline, okay? So from here, I go straight up. Check this out. Continuing that waterline. That's all I need for now. Stop a little bit, breathe. It's no rocket science. If I can do it, you can do it. Then you see there's a gap right here. I'm trying to fill it in. Bam, 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 bam. Stop. you've got a tiny bit of a wing, a baby wing. Relax, okay? If you want to do it bigger, longer, you could do it bigger and longer. But let me show you a trick that works for me. I start by applying same product on the lower lashes, on the waterline as well, and between the lashes. You want to apply this product between the lashes. And you see now how this line right here is sort of like low and then it goes sort of too high? Well, I'm going to balance that. So from here, I fill in the space. And I go towards the direction of this wing that I've already created. Okay? It's not perfect. Look, if I raise my eyebrows, it's not perfect. You definitely see gap. It's like unfocused. It's okay because we're going to come with this pencil and fill in those gaps. Does it make more sense now? Like when I look at you, it kind of makes more sense, right? So basically, you've got a few easy steps. Let's recap. First, you do a line all along the lash line. It does not have to be perfect. Second step, from the iris, you make the line a little bit thicker and you go towards the end of your eye. Third step, you basically imagine there's a line that continues from the waterline upwards. That's how you create the wing. Fourth step is to fill in that little gap that you have right here, and bam, you've got the easiest, quickest wing shape. For the rest of it, you just fill in all the waterline with the same product, connect this part with a lower lash line, and you make it like a fluid motion. It's far from being perfect, but wouldn't you be happy if you would be able to do this? I'm gonna take this tiny little brush. This one is from Hakuhodo, but guys, you could use just any brush. And I advise you, especially for tiny little brushes like this, go to one of those stores where they sell painting tools. Get a painting brush. Those are the best for eyeliner and they're cheap. Take some of this product with the brush and go in between the lashes so that you don't have any of those white spaces in there. You're going to perfect this eye look. I come with the brush and the product right at the edge to make it look more soft. If the space allows you, you can go even thicker. I've got very, very small eyes. You cannot tell because the camera is so close. But for real, people who see me for the very first time, you're so small. I'm only 5'1". Do the same thing on the lower lash line. And when you are right here at the end of your eye, you are applying less and less pressure so that it fades away, you see? The next step, you do not have to do this because this product is a very, very long lasting. You'd be surprised how well this lasts. But I actually find it quite, nice and I like the association of the colors. I'm going to use this Huda Beauty. This is the Emerald palette. And I'll take this beautiful green right here. And with a smudger brush, this is a 226 from Zoeva. It looks like this. I'll take the tiniest amount of product and I will apply it right at the edges to create a smoky effect. And because this eyeshadow is a little bit lighter than the product that we've used, it's going to give a very, very nice effect. Now, just for the fun of it, I'm going to use a green mascara. This one is also from Shiseido. This is the Controlled Chaos Mascara Ink, and it's green. You can absolutely use black. Black would look amazing. I have this green, why not? Plus, it's not a crazy, crazy green, What do you guys think? It's fun with the green, right? Okay, I want to keep this whole look very clean and elegant and chic. I'm just gonna go with the nude. I'll use this iconic nude from Charlotte Tilbury. Let's try this lipstick from Laura Mercier. It looks kind of brown, right? Let's see how it looks like on the skin. I actually love the brown lipsticks. This is in Brun Naturel. I blend a little bit because I don't really want the color to be too saturated. And the new lipsticks from Laura Mercier, they are just super pigmented. This is more like a 90s vibe. When I started to do this makeup, I was so sure that I'm going to use a more like a beige lipstick, but this doesn't bother me. Alright guys, this is the final look. This is the quick and easy cat eye look. Colorful cat eye look, I would add. Let me know if you enjoy this shorter kind of videos where I focus on one thing. I'd love to know that, so please come and let me know. Before you go, make sure that you've subscribed to my YouTube channel, that you've clicked on that ring bell button. This is the only way you're going to be notified whenever I'm posting new videos like this one. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'm super active on my Insta stories. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!